welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making a really simple and yummy Chana Chaat. Chaat is a very popular and yummy savory snack from the Indian subcontinent. I'm sharing my version of Chana Chaat today. So to begin with, I have some chickpeas. These are from a can. I'm just pouring it in a pot with a little bit of water. To that, I'm going to add this chaat masala. So chaat masala is a mix of different spices. It has cumin, coriander, red chili pepper, dry mango powder. It's very tangy and really flavorful. You can find this at most Indian grocery store. Next is a little bit of chili pepper because I like it a little spicy. You don't have to add extra chili pepper if you don't want it. So I'm going to let this mix and come to a bit of a simmer for a couple of minutes. And the next thing is a tamarind concentrate. It's really the main component that adds the tanginess. Then I'm going to quickly season it with a little bit of salt. The chaat masala is already a little salty, so you don't need a whole lot, just a small pinch. I'm going to let this mixer come to a simmer. So now that this has been simmering for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add other ingredients. I've got boiled potatoes in here that I've roughly chopped. Next is some raw onion that's roughly chopped as well. Some tomatoes. I've got chili peppers and a little mint and cilantro. So everything goes in a pot, and I'm going to cook this until the tomatoes are a little bit softened and the onions are softened. So it looks like the mixer is ready. The tomatoes have softened, the onions are softened as well, and I'm massing some of the potatoes so it thickens up the sauce. And the only thing left to do now is to assemble our chaat. I have my bowl here, and this is the chana that we just made. So I'm pouring. Next, I'm going to add some toppings, and that's the fun thing about chaat is you can mix and match different toppings. That's crunchy, spicy, creamy, tangy. So what I have here is a sieve, which is a very traditional Indian snack made with chickpeas. So I'm adding this for some crunch. Next, I've got some chopped red onions. And I'm going to add some yogurt. Next, I've got some cilantro mint chutney, and I'm going to drizzle some on top. Then I'm going to finish this up with a little bit of chaat masala and some cilantro and chopped mint. And here you have it, our Chana Chaat. So I hope you will give this recipe a try and share this with your friends and families. This is a really great dish as an appetizer or a snack. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.